everyone, welcome back to LEXI'S World. I'm just going to make one tilapia. So I have my tilapia here, and I'm going to bake the tilapia in the oven, and I'm going to make some string beans on the side for me. I'm making just a meal for one person. I have a friend that's coming over, and she wants tilapia. Of course, this is my first time cooking tilapia, alright? The first time I think I had tilapia is when I went to Ghana. I ate tilapia like all the time because I just love it, right? So that was my first time I think I've ever had tilapia, and I like it. But I've never cooked tilapia, so let's see, alright? And I'm gonna blend everything, and then I'm gonna put it in the blender, alright? So let's get started. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on my channel, alright? So basically I have a quarter of a red pepper. I'm gonna just cut it up. I washed them and everything already. Put it in the blender cup. I have an orange. In the cup. I have a half of an onion. In the cup. Because I find tilapia had a really bad smell, so I put like 3 bags of garlic, right? I don't know, but I cleaned it tilapia. So I have scallion. I have hot pepper. I'm gonna go. Let's put more some dry thyme, also I have some avocado oil. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of avocado oil. And of course everything is in my pot. I'm going to blend it a bit. Everything is half done. So this is the tilapia I have. And because it's my first time cooking it, I only did one, just in case it doesn't come out. It's not like I spoiled a lot of fish, alright? So this is all the seasoning. I'm gonna put some black pepper. So it's about a teaspoon of black pepper about this, because it's just one fish. Stir everything up. This is my fish, and I'm just going to season the fish here. I have my oven preheating at 350. This is my tray, of course, I'm going to use for baking. And then I'm going to put some black paper and cotton sheet. And then I'm going to place my fish on top of that here. I'm going to put one of the seasoning. In the fish. So this is the fillet. I'm going to put it in the oven, and I'm going to bake it for a bit. And then I'll turn it on low and get it to get a bit of color. I'm going to make some beans on the side to put with this because she's on a diet. So she's eating healthy. She's not eating any carbs and stuff. So it's perfect. Alright, so let's try this. Alright, so I have my tilapia in the oven. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook some beans to go with the tilapia. Alright, I'm just gonna clean my beans. I'm gonna use the beans. Alright, so as you can see, I put everything in. I have my orange pepper, my red pepper, my onion, my noodles. And I'm not going to put any hot pepper because I'm going to make this taste a bit spicy. So I have a pan. I have my pot on the stove, and I'm going to I just spray some olive. As you can see, so what I did now, so I have my stove on high. I'm gonna turn it down for a bit, and I'm gonna just put all my pack on. Throw my food here. The pack is on. Half of this is all of it. I have black pepper, sugar, salt, and everything. I just put a little bit. Spoon of water. Salt. Turn my fire down to like 4. I'm still really hot, so I'm just gonna cover it up for a little bit while the fish is cooking. Put a lot of teaspoon over. And then I cover it and turn it on low to cook for a bit. So here's the tilapia. It's all done. I put the beans, as you can see, and then I put some avocado with it. And I'm gonna serve it just like this. Thank you for watching my video. I only did one tilapia because I wasn't sure if it's gonna come out good. But I'll get a feedback. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay tuned for more videos.